Hey everyone, welcome to the UNSW Economic Society's market recap for Week 9, Term 1. Today we will be looking at the market movers, losers, and key economic stories from the last week. This week's market mover is Novavax, an American biotech company known for its COVID-19 vaccine called Nuvaxoid, available in the US and Europe. Listed on the Nasdaq, the stock price rallied 27.6% over the last week. This can be attributed to the company's anticipated presentations at the World Vaccine Congress, where it will present its COVID-influenza combination vaccine prototype. Conversely, this week's market loser is Piedmont Lithium, an Australian-owned, American-based mining company which specializes in the extraction of spodumene, an alloy with high levels of lithium. The stock price fell 12.5% over the last week. This accompanies Piedmont's announcement of their intention to partner with fellow North American lithium producer Sayona Mining to extract lithium in Quebec. Demand for lithium in the US remains strong due to an increasing demand in electric vehicles. However, Australian mining companies continue to dominate the global market share of lithium production. The Reserve Bank of Australia has paused interest rate rises this month, maintaining a cash rate target of 3.6% across April. Following 10 consecutive rate rises, this is the first time since May of 2022 the cash rate target has stagnated. Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe stated earlier this week such a pause is justified due to the mounting cost of living pressures disproportionately affecting low-income earners and first-home buyers. Around 15% of borrowers are forecast to have negative spare cash flow. Nevertheless, this pause is more than likely temporary, with further rate rises predicted in May or June. In international news, the multilateral powerhouse BRICS, consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have announced plans to develop a new currency. The intention of such a deal is to reduce international reliance on the US dollar, which has experienced significant inflation in the last few years. Alternatively, the BRICS currency will be based on the gold standard. Currently, the US dollar is involved in almost 90% of all international trade, despite the US only contributing 24% to the global GDP. Collectively, the combined BRICS bloc contribute 31.5% to the global GDP, more so than the United States and even the G7. Consequently, this announcement could be the catalyst for a transition away from the US dollar. Lastly, the Australian Defence Force purchased a $110 million second-hand commercial vessel. The 10-year-old Norwegian ship is 107 meters long and its primary role will be to support undersea surveillance systems. Notably, these surveillance systems will support the $300 billion purchase of nuclear submarines under a recent trilateral deal between AUKUS countries. Thanks for watching this week's market recap. Check out our newsletter to keep updated with the latest from EcoSoc. Thanks.